Spas are known for their ability to relax you and ease those aches and pains. And that's exactly what happens in all but a very small fraction of cases. However, spas can become extremely dangerous if not properly maintained. And unlike pools, it's not just water quality that has local health unit officials worried.
Well, those pumps are pretty powerful, and you can actually, if a seal is made, pull somebody, like hold somebody on there, so they can't. And so they, in a spa, if their head was below the ground, they could, or below the water level, they could drown. Or if they get situated right, there's actually been disembowelings that have occurred.
Don't believe it can happen? Look at this video, where a U.S. boy was kept sucked under in a hotel spa. Despite rescue efforts, he couldn't be freed for 15 minutes. The boy did survive, thanks to people diving into the water to give him CPR. While an entrapment scenario like this animated example has never happened in London, Health Unit inspection reports A News obtained noted partial failures of vacuum systems and other related safety devices in local spas. For instance, in early 2010, a written hand-delivered closure order was given to the Station Park Hotel, warning them that individuals may become entrapped or severely injured by the spa's suction system while using the spa. The hotel's general manager told us that was an unfortunate incident and that the order was quickly complied with and the problem rectified. That's the kind of compliance Inspector Anna Maria Quinn looks for as she inspects other spas.
Those have been cases where we've gone and educated the operator as to why it's so important and what the consequences are of not rectifying that situation.
While those systems have been in place for many years, surprisingly, regulations in Ontario around spas have not. Before 2006, there were no requirements placed on operators, only non-binding recommendations.
It was a guideline that we had of best practices, and health inspectors would strongly recommend that spa operators would comply.
But as more people died in hot tubs from not only drowning but electrical shock and overheating, things began to change in Canada. Today, spas are inspected just like pools in London. Adams admits it's been a learning curve for many operators who don't always have trained staff on site. But the health unit continues to work with those facing challenges, such as the operator of London's Super 8 Wellington Road Hotel. The spa inside here has been closed once this year for 11 days. The closure related to various concerns, including chlorine levels. The operator says during that time he was working hard with health unit officials to meet all the requirements. It was during this same time an inspector noted the hotel should ensure an operator is appointed to the spa that is trained in all required areas to ensure the spa is kept in a safe and sanitary manner. The operator says he's done that, even though when we visited, he told us his spa had been closed again that very day. An employee told us it remained closed late last week. But the Super 8 is not the only spa with violations. In fact, of the 9 we secured records for, only 1 had nearly no concerns marked. Elsewhere, our review found some concerns with disease-killing chemical agents, ground fault interrupter switches, faulty timers, and spa stop switches. When we informed the general public of the infractions found at some spas, we didn't surprise.
Hot tubs are pretty nasty places in general, even in your own backyard, right?